Howdy gang, today we're looking at this beautiful 53 GMC Suburban. You don't see many of these, especially not in this condition. Beautiful red paint with the two-tone with the white. And I love how the wheels and tires just accent this so nicely. He's got the black and the red, looks fantastic. All of our trim pieces are blacked out, mirrors blacked out tank. It's really a cool car. I guess I should say it's a cool truck. And how our consignor, he built it, he wanted to actually go cruising. So this bumper is actually removable and there's a hitch down there. So he was hoping to get a teardrop trailer hitch and drive it around the country. He added a double tank to it. He's got overdrive in it. He had some plans for this bad boy. Really cool truck though. You see hardly any of these. And I'm fitting in it real nicely, about 6'2". No issues.
Show you the back here.
Let me show you how to open here. This is a really rare clamshell. He said it took him 5 years just to find this latch.
Wow.
But here she is.
It's got the car cover in there. Super nice.
So enough gawking though, let's maybe go take it for a spin.
Alright, we're gonna get the engine cranked, take a look at the engine bay, and then we will continue on and take a drive down the road. Stay tuned.
Go ahead and crank her up, and you'll notice there's only about 1,350 miles on this since the restoration. So it's basically a brand new car.